Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace smart key battery on Lexus IS 200T. You're going to need small flathead screwdriver. You're going to need a battery. The number is 2032. The first thing you're going to do is locate this button right here and it says push. Just press in right there. Remove the key. And what you're going to do next is you're going to place this edge of the key. There's a little slots right here. And then put the key in there. Give it a little twist. Open up the battery. You're going to see the batteries right there. Using your small head screwdrivers, flathead screwdriver, what you're going to do is give it a little push and a little lift. The battery comes out. And then put the new ones in. Give it a little push. There you go. Next thing is put the cover back on. Give it a little push. And put the key back in. You're done.